My name's Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you today how to use the Decorative Brush tool in Illustrator. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Document Color Mode, which is in File. And it's all the way at the bottom, and just select RGB color, because even if you're doing it in black and white, it'll just be a lot easier to navigate color that way. Make sure that your outline tool is at black or whatever color you want, but your fill color should be empty. There should be nothing in your fill color. Then you're going to want to go to this little panel on the right, and this is called the brushes tool, the brushes button, and you're going to click that. And in this top right corner, there's a whole list for you to select from, and then the very bottom it says Open Brush Library, and here you're going to have quite a selection of brushes. And since we're doing the decorative brushes, let's start off with some elegant curl and floral brush sets. And the cool thing about this is this little window will open once you've selected your brushes, and it'll continue to add every brush set that you choose. So if you decide, hey, I want to try a different set, just go up back to that brush button. You select the little button on the right, Open Brush Library, and we're going to choose a whole another set. So we'll do Scatter as well, and that'll either open another window or you can just join the windows. I'll give you an example of, for perhaps you're making an invitation to a party, and you want something kind of cool. So I'm just going to select one of those tools and just draw a little shape on the side. And then you can have that fun little shape like that, and then it'll give your invitation some elegance. That's one of the cooler brushes that I like. But if you're really into, like these little scatter tools, which is basically designed for the same reason, it's pretty much so that you can add shapes to documents and such. So I selected the star tool here, the star scatter brush, and you can do, it makes little shapes like that, and there's a whole bunch of different ones you can choose, and some of them have different designs. Like this one has like a scattering design, but this one has like a design that doesn't really scatter, it just kind of drags the shape out. And that's really the coolest part about these brushes, is they're all kind of customized and different. And that is how you use the Decorative Brush tool. My name is Alex Cecilio, and I'm a graphic artist. Thank you very much.